to my channel. I am Gigi Faison. Welcome to 2021. Welcome to my very first collaboration of this new year. A special thanks to Miss Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, then you already know that you are welcome, you are loved, and you are appreciated here. I thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new and you see something that you like during this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. Therefore, you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. So what I am going to do is to start creating my vignette. And I think the only requirement for this collaboration was to include a flower or a floral piece of some sort. So I am going to go ahead and start, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me in creating this for as much as I can, and then I will get to the point of reveal. So I thank you guys, each and every one of you, for checking into my channel. Welcome to 2021, my very first collaboration. So what I have here is this tray. I picked it up from, I think it was Michael's, maybe last year, year before, end of their season clearance. And it's just kind of been sitting around, but even though it has this blue and white back in here, I'm still going to make it work. Now I have my tray here. Oh yeah, we did have to use a tray also. And I have these, this potpourri that I bought a few years ago from Macy's. And I'm telling you guys, this stuff still smells the same. The fragrance that it lets off is the eucalyptus mint. And I'm telling you, it smells so good. Can you imagine walking into your home and that smell meeting you at the door? Well, that's what this does. It smells really good. And at the end of my winter season, I usually box it back up, and then I'll pull it out the next year. It even has the little pine cones that came with it, and just the little chips of wood. I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. I'd actually purchased 2 of these, and they came with the potpourri mix as well as the eucalyptus candles. But of course, you know, the candles didn't last until the season. They were all burned out, but they made my home smell so good. And then to have this mixture left behind that I can use year after year, I think this was a great buy, great investment. So here I'm using the candle rings with the greenery just to act more as a filler into my tray here, to give that pop of green that you sometimes need when you're decorating. Here you guys, these are these little plastic risers that I have picked up from Amazon, and I use them for any type of height that I need to place an item on top of. And here I am placing this little flat tray on top of the riser, and I have 2 teacups with little packets of tea. Tea is something that my husband and I like to keep on hand, especially this time of the year because of the seasons in which we are in. So immediately when we start to feel as we are getting sick, we reach for our good old faithful tea. I have different flavors in here. I have the peppermint, I have the dandelion root tea, and we like to add a little honey and a little lemon juice in our tea, and that generally works for us to keep us from getting sick. So you guys, what I have here in my tray is my little cherub ginger jar. We have my little tea canister that is part of the set, and on my canister it has, or it reads, it's a brew teaful day. We have the little 2 teacups here with the little stirrer. That is the set with the little canister. And then we have a little honey for our tea. We have a little floral piece over here on the side, which is actually a glass decorative floral piece that I have included. So I think I've done everything that was required, and then you see my tray here. So you guys, I hope you have enjoyed my setup here. Next, I will be sharing with you look number 3. Now this last look is just to get you thinking. Once you have cleaned up your kitchen, everything's been put away, and you're ready to retire for the evening, grab yourself a cup of coffee, hot tea, or hot chocolate, and sit by your fireplace and relax. This little apparatus that I have in the back is a candle warmer, but it resembles a fireplace. So you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this last setup here. And if you have liked what I have shared with you today, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that an upload is made here. A special thanks to Miss Denise Jordan over at This and That with Denise for hosting this challenge. Please go over and visit her channel. Her information will be in my description box below. along with the playlist link of all of the other creators. We bless you guys. I thank you so very much, and Happy New Year.